Assalamualaikum. My name is Miss Timra and I am your class 2 English teacher. This is our fourth lecture. Before starting our lecture, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get updated about the upcoming videos. So today I'm going to give you explanation of articles. In this lecture, we will discuss two articles, A and N. Use of A. We use A with consonants. A को हम consonants के साथ use करते हैं. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters are consonants. ये सारे letters consonants हैं. If the first letter of word is consonant, अगर किसी word का first letter consonant होगा, so we will use A with it. हम उसके साथ A use करेंगे. Look at the first picture. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a cup. This is a cup. The spelling of cup is C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. The first letter of word cup is C. For cup का first letter C है. C is consonant. C जो है वो consonant है. So we will write A with it. हम उसके साथ A को लिखेंगे. Look at the second picture. Second picture को देखिए. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a duck. This is a duck. ये एक duck है. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The first letter of word duck is D. D is consonant. D जो है वो consonant है. So we will write A with it. हम duck के साथ A को लिखेंगे. A cup, a duck. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is a lamp. This is a lamp. ये एक lamp है. The spelling of lamp is L-A-M-P, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. The first letter of word lamp is L. जो first letter है word lamp का वो L है. L is consonant. L जो है वो consonant letter है. So we will write A with it. हम उसके साथ A use करेंगे. A lamp. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is a kite. ये एक kite है. The spelling of kite is K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. The first letter of word kite is K. K is consonant. K जो है वो consonant है. So we will write A with it. A kite. A lamp. A kite. Use of N. We use N with vowels. हम N को vowels के साथ use करते हैं. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is an aeroplane. The spelling of aeroplane is A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. The first letter of word aeroplane is A. A is vowel. A vowel है. So we will use A and N here. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is an elephant. ये एक elephant है. The spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The first letter of word elephant is E. E is vowel. E vowel है. So we will use A and N here. यहाँ हम A and N use करेंगे. Look at the third picture. This is an insect. ये एक insect है. The spelling of insect is I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. The first letter of word insect is I. I is vowel. I vowel है. So we will use A and N here. हम यहाँ A and N use करेंगे. An aeroplane, an elephant, an insect. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is an octopus. ये एक octopus है. The spelling of octopus is OCTOPUS. The first letter of word octopus is O. O is vowel. O जो है वो vowel है. So we will use ANN here. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is an umbrella. The spelling of umbrella is UMBRELLA. First letter of word umbrella is U. U is vowel. U vowel है. So we will use ANN here. हम यहाँ ANN use करेंगे. An octopus, an umbrella. Take out your English books and open page number 54. Language skills. Articles. Read these words. A banana, an apple. Why A is written with banana and N is written with apple? Because the first letter of word banana is B. B is consonant. That's why A is written here. बनाना का फर्स्ट लेटर बी है. बी कॉन्सोनेंट है. वी यूज ए विद कॉन्सोनेंट्स. हम ए को कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. दैट्स वाई इसी वजह से ए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. एन एप्पल. द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ वर्ड एप्पल इज वॉवल. एप्पल का फर्स्ट लेटर ए है. ए वॉवल है. वी यूज एन विद वॉवल्स. हम एन वॉवल्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. A whistle. The first letter of word whistle is W. W is consonant. W consonant है. That's why A is written here. A यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. An icicle. The first letter of word icicle is I. I is vowel. I vowel है. That's why N is written here. यहाँ N लिखा हुआ है. A shoe. An aeroplane. The first letter of word shoe is S. S is consonant. That's why A is written here. Shoe का first letter S है और S consonant है. We use A with consonant. इसी वजह से यहाँ A लिखा हुआ. An arrow. The first letter of word arrow is A. A is vowel. A vowel है. That's why N is written here. यहाँ N लिखा हुआ है. An aeroplane. The first letter of word aeroplane is A. A is vowel. That's why N is written here. इसी वजह से N यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. A truck. The first letter of word truck is T. T is consonant. That's why A is written here. Truck का first letter T है. T consonant है. इसलिए यहाँ A लिखा हुआ. Words that begins with a consonant sound or a consonant have the article A before them. वो words जिनका first letter consonant हो या consonant sound देता हो, उनके साथ हम article A यूज़ करते हैं. article A हम उनसे पहले लगाते हैं. For example, a car, a cat, a dog, a fish. Words that begins with a vowel sound or a vowel A, E, I, O, U have the article an before them. वो words जिनका first letter vowel हो या vowel sound देता हो, उनके साथ हम article n use करते हैं. For example, an apple, an arrow, an aeroplane. Your homework is to do this exercise. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.